Welcome to Great Gear. I'm Matthew Masaru Barron. The word environment basically means surroundings and can be used in many different ways. On the large scale, it usually refers to our planet and its resources, but it can also be used to describe where we spend the most time, like our home and place of work. Environment is also the word that ties together this week's stories. The first Great Gear we're going to look at might best be described as quirky, but surprisingly, it was developed partially in response to a serious environmental issue. Join us to find out what the issue and the gear really are. After that, we'll visit a trade fair that brings Japanese lifestyle trends from Tokyo to the world. In fact, it's called Interior Lifestyle Tokyo, and it throws the spotlight on pretty much anything you might want in the environment of your home. Finally, we'll check out a Japanese product that is great for both your personal environment and the planet as well. It's natural and simple, but it could very well revolutionize the way we perform a common household chore. One household item that most of us can't do without is a washing machine. The product we're about to introduce may not make the necessary evil known as laundry day any easier or more exciting, but it could make it much kinder to the environment. And how might it do that? By making laundry detergent obsolete.
Water is being poured over pellets of a certain metal. This generates a wealth of small bubbles. The metal is a magnesium alloy. This reaction between the magnesium and water produces hydrogen. And this simple chemical reaction served as the basis for a new product. It's a simple pouch filled with magnesium alloy pellets, yet the company has sold over 1 million in just 5 years. Used in the washing machine, it removes dirt along with the need for laundry detergent. Called Terra Wash, it can be used and reused for a whole year. Here, the magnesium-infused water is breaking down cooking oil. In contrast with tap water, the murkiness of the magnesium-infused water shows that the oil is being decomposed. Yet, is magnesium really strong enough to get the job done? Let's put it to the test. First, we test regular laundry detergent to gauge its properties. The pH is approximately 10.8. The higher the alkalinity, the higher the detergency. Next, we measured the pH of Terra Wash. After 3 minutes in water at room temperature, it achieved almost the same alkalinity as the laundry detergent. Tests showed that its ability to decompose sebum dirt was equal to that of commercial laundry detergents. We spoke with a researcher from the company.
アルカリにすることによって、水に油が溶けるような、特性を示すので、結果その、衣類の汚れを水に溶かし出してくれるから汚れが落ちるっていうことなんですよ。
The product was developed by a metal processing company that's been in business for over half a century. In their factory, they use magnesium to produce car components. Naturally, company president Takashi Miyamoto knows magnesium like the back of his hand.
マグネシウムというのは金属の中でも一番軽い金属ですから、スピードを上げて、加工することができるんですね。ただスピードを上げるとともに加工のした切削くずが機械四方八方に飛び跳ねるんで。
And if the shavings aren't collected and happen to catch on fire,
そうすると、マグネシウムは勢いよく、水素を発生しながら燃え広がります。で、火柱が本当に高くと。
The Terra Wash sachets are filled with a 99.9% magnesium alloy. Although magnesium normally doesn't react to water at room temperature, the company found a way to make it happen and has already acquired an international patent for this innovation. It's an invention that could only have been achieved by the master of magnesium himself. We spoke with an employee who uses magnesium for her daily washing.
子供にあまり化学物質が含まれた合成洗剤は使いたくないなと思っていたので、マグちゃんはぴったりでした。
The alkaline water produced with the magnesium has also been shown to have high antibacterial properties.
まず、部屋干しをしても匂わない。洗濯槽のカビが取れる。
It turns out that using Terra Wash keeps the hose and tub of the washing machine clean as well.
私たちはその界面活性剤を使わずに、ただマグネシウムだけで、その界面活性効果を生み出すことができるんで。
This characteristic won the product a gold award at NAF Expo 2017, which was held in France. In addition to Terra Wash, the company has also produced a version for the bath. We spoke with a doctor well versed in magnesium's benefits.
マグネシウムはとても大事なミネラルなんですね。で、特に健康それから、長寿に必須なミネラルで、洗濯マグちゃんの場合にはそれをお風呂に入れるとですね、お風呂の水にマグネシウムが溶け込みますので、それが外用っていうか外から取れて、結局アトピーにも効く可能性非常に高いですし、体も温まりますし、とてもいろんな健康効果が期待できるものだと思います。
Taking advantage of its properties, the company also developed and patented a washing machine made out of magnesium.
だけどその洗濯機が売られてしまうとマグちゃんの売れ行きは悪くなりますよね。だけれど我々としてはそれで環境が良くなるんであればやっぱそれを目指すべきだと思うんですよね。
Magnesium is also vital for plant cultivation, and demonstration tests on the use of magnesium-rich laundry water in agriculture are currently being held. Sales of Terra Wash have already begun in parts of Europe, and the product is expected to go global in the near future.
So what kind of impact does magnesium have on the environment? Well, that's kind of a trick question because in a way, magnesium is the environment. It's the fourth most common element on Earth, making up about 13% of the planet's mass. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back next time with even more great gear. Until then, I'm Matthew Masaru Barron. では。